Everybody's so judgmental. Everybody's so judgmental. Everybody hurts, but I don't judge rentals. It was all so.
Salutations, greetings to the people. More or less, it's your boy, the real white Lucky Lou, Justice Rebel TV, justicerevolution.org. Back at y'all with another video. Y'all already know the bop. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know where we on. We're on Justice Rebel TV, man. We building, we learning, we teaching. Each one teach one, you feel me? Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to share the video. I appreciate everybody, all the subscribers. Appreciate everybody who be tapping in, you heard. Don't forget to share the videos, man. Tell a friend and tell a friend. They like, know what I mean, if they like building, know what I mean, they, know what I mean, talking about matters of substance. If they like, if they want to find out about matters of substance, know what I mean, things you should know. That's the vibe we on over here. Putting you on to things you should know, things that you probably not checking for, that you really should know. I'm gonna keep you on point. Know what I mean, as best I could. You feel me? So don't forget to like and subscribe, man. For real, we gotta get these subscribers up. Know what I mean, we growing slowly though, but it's all good. You heard? Now, with that being said, man. You know, it's a lot going on with this Roe v. Wade situation, man. This sb8 and this attack on a woman's right to choose. Know what I mean? The woman's right to have an abortion. Know what I mean? So, you know, you know we've been following this heavy. I've been keeping y'all on point with this before anybody was talking about it. Even before the news was talking about it. Before CNN, when anybody was putting y'all on to what's going on, I was putting y'all, I've been telling y'all about this sb8 law. This attack on a woman's right to choose and have their abortions. You know what I'm saying? sb8, if you ain't been following, sb8 is a law that does not allow a woman to it's a law out of Texas that says in Texas a woman cannot have an abortion after 6 weeks. That's basically what, you know what I mean? That joint been hanging in the air for mad long. You know what I'm saying? And it's part of the attack on Roe v. Wade, that and along with the Dogs versus Women's Health Organization out in Mississippi. Those two cases right there are major. They're both in the Supreme. They both have been. The Supreme Court has heard arguments on both of those, and all that is the conservative majority with their attack on Roe v. Wade, which is a woman's right to choose. So the latest news on that, just the other day, just Thursday, Supreme Court dealt another blow to the. They dealt another blow to the Roe v. Wade situation. What they did was they sent, first of all, you know, they could have shut it down. They could have shut sb8 down. Supreme Court, they could have shut it down the other day, but they chose not to. Once again, this is what I'm telling y'all. This is an attack on Roe v. Wade. This is again that Supreme Court has not knocked this down, and instead, and also what happened. Also, hold up. The lawyers and providers, the lawyers and abortion providers, they asked the Supreme Court and Neil Gorsuch and them, know what I'm saying, to send the case down to the district judge. Know what I mean, to United States district judge. Know what I'm saying, which they felt that's where they wanted to go, and they felt that was the fair path for that to take, and that was a fair path for them to take. But instead, he sent it to the 5th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals. Now, mind you, this is strategic. Neil Gorsuch and them sent this to the 5th District, United States 5th District Circuit Court of Appeal, which is super conservative. They already before upheld this and didn't shut it down. Now, I mean, the U.S. District Court, he blocked it before. And then the Court of Appeals dubbed it. So now he sent it to the Court of Appeals already, because the court, again, because he knows the Court of Appeals is going to dub it. Know what I'm saying? That parts up. They know that the court, so that's a strategic move. Now, I mean, they could have sent it to the U.S. District Court. You know what I'm saying? With that judge probably would have blocked it or whatever. This just prolongs it. Now you send it to the 5th District. Now when you send it to the 5th District, what the 5th District does is dick it around. And all they're going to do is send it to the other court. They're going to send it to the Texas Supreme Court. That's what the 5th District going to do. I mean, yeah, the U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals. That's what they're going to do. The 5th Circuit, they're going to send it to the Texas Supreme Court. More conservative. Now, this is what I be telling y'all before. I told y'all in videos before. I told y'all how Donald Trump appointed more Supreme Court justices than anybody in the history, any president. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like the U.S. Circuit Courts Appeals, those judges in the U.S. District Courts. Yeah, Trump appointed more in his 4 years. He appointed almost as many as Obama appointed in 8. You know what I'm saying? This stuff counts. When people ain't paying attention to who's being elected, who's being put in position, like people, this is serious because these appeals people, these are the people who hear your homies' appeals when your homie trying to get out of jail, when you got the innocent brothers in jail and all that stuff like that that's trying to fight for their freedom. That's the same thing. Those people's Fifth Circuit and all that, those are the people that's hearing those. So we gotta do what we do to make sure that fair people is in position over in these positions of power. You know what I'm saying? Trump put those people there on purpose. He was loading it up for situations like this. So now here it is. People thinking that none of this stuff make a difference when it does. Here it is. You know what I'm saying? It has residual effects that could last for decades. You know what I'm saying? He put just like he put the 3 conservative United States Supreme Court justices in his 4 years. You know what I'm saying? So Supreme Court justices, he put 3. And then the U.S. District Courts and Circuit Courts, you know what I mean? Courts of Appeal, he put more than anybody. You know what I mean? So now they send it to them, and this how they get there. This like the whole, it's a conservative majority from the Supreme Court on down. On down from Supreme Court, they got the super conservative majority at the United States Supreme Court. Then as it goes down, you know what I'm saying? It's all those conservative judges and Circuit Court of Appeal judges and all that stuff. United States judges and stuff like that. And they together, so like, you know, he like, yo, send it over to me. That's his man. He gonna send it to him. Bam. So I'm gonna do exactly what they want him to do. They send it to the conservative homie. He's gonna do exactly what they want him to do. He's gonna start it out. He's gonna send it to the Texas Supreme Court. It's gonna take mad long. And as this time is going on, the law is still illegal for females to get abortion after 6 weeks in Texas. So now they makes it more arduous. Like, unfortunately, you know, you even have like little young girls who be getting pregnant, 12, 13, 14 years old. Sometimes they don't be knowing what to do, and they don't have the outlet. And now if the abortion is legal, now what do? You know what I mean? Now they start trying to go underground places that's not safe, that's not medically clear, that's not, you know, that's not professional. Start doing you know what I mean? Because like these young teenagers, unfortunately, it happens. They get pregnant sometimes, and sometimes they scared to go to adult. They don't know what to do. You know what I'm saying? And you had things like Planned Parenthood, and you had other organizations, other abortion providers that would help these young girls out. You know what I'm saying? But now it's like, now they don't got nowhere to go. So now where they go? Now they going underground. Now they Googling, they going on the dark web, they Googling stuff, trying to find out where could they have an abortion at. Now they having an underground abortion on the black market. Unhealthy. We're gonna be losing lives. You gotta protect the queens, protect the babies. You know what I'm saying? It's real like that, man. Like, you gotta really think about that. You gotta think about those lost people, the young lost females who would like, cause like if the abortion is legal, they're gonna have to take another route. You know what I'm saying? So don't forget to like, subscribe, man. Keep y'all up on point with this. That's what Supreme Court just did. They prolonging this joint, and it's looking bad for the Roe v. Wade, man. It's looking bad. Roe v. Wade is on the ropes. Abortion rights, women's abortion rights is on the ropes. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget to like and subscribe, man. You know what I mean? And I got another thing I want to talk about. This huge miscarriage of justice, man. Got to talk about this huge miscarriage of justice. You got Rogel Lazaro Aguilera Madero, 23 years old. Rogel Lazaro Aguilera Madero, 23 years old. He's a truck driver. Know what I mean? He's a Cuban truck driver. They just gave him, you didn't know, they just gave him 110 consecutive years in prison. 110 consecutive years in prison. They just gave this man, 23-year-old man. Now, what happened with this man, he's a truck driver. He caused he got into a car crash, which caused like a domino effect, like he hit a car, and then that hit a car, and that car hit a car, boom. But he was in a truck. He was driving like a semi, like a, you know, big freight truck, big semi truck, whatever. Know what I mean? But he wasn't drunk or nothing. He wasn't drunk or nothing. He didn't leave the scene or nothing. His brakes went out. His brakes went out, and he had to make a choice. I would like go over the cliff and, know what I mean, or bust a turn and crash. And he chose to crash. Like, it's an accident though. His brakes went out. His brakes went out. It's been proven that his brakes went out. Know what I'm saying? He didn't leave the scene. He did every chemical test, blood test, drug test. He didn't have not an ounce of drugs or alcohol or anything in his system. He didn't leave the scene. It was purely an accident. It was genuinely an accident. He didn't have nothing in his system or nothing. It was no drugs, nothing in his system. Know what I mean? Like, he crashed into somebody and they crashed into somebody, and he's driving a truck, so like it was a huge impact, boom, and then it explodes. It was an explosion, and 4 people died and 7 people got injured. But it makes me be like, this is what I be talking about, this privilege. It's not just white privilege, but it's also money, like, because this is a capitalist country too. So it brings me back to the dude Ethan Couch. Remember Ethan Couch? I was talking about him a few videos back. But Ethan Couch was drunk, and it wasn't his first DUI. He was driving drunk, crashed into people, same shit, in his truck. But he wasn't even in a fight truck. He was like in a pickup truck. You know what I'm saying? He wasn't like in an 18-wheeler like this guy. He was like in a regular pickup truck, and he crashed into some people, killed 4 people, paralyzed, made a 5th person a paraplegic, and injured like in 6 other people, and he got probation. That's the affluenza defense dude. The dude said that his lawyer, they used the affluenza defense, saying that he's so rich and his parents always got him out of trouble. He doesn't know about consequences, so he wasn't responsible for that because he's so rich and affluent, and his parents take care of everything for him. And that was the defense. Yeah, that sounds stupid, right? But they went with that, and they called that the affluenza team. And they call that the affluenza defense. And that was the first time anybody ever heard of it. He made that up, made that word up and everything. Affluenza defense. And it worked. That dude, the kid got, Ethan Couch got 10 years probation. Now mind you, Ethan Couch he was driving intoxicated. And that wasn't his first time driving intoxicated. He's driving intoxicated, and he crashed, and he killed 4 people. Kids and everything, teenagers and everything. He killed 4 people. 4 people died, and he was driving drunk. Is it a difference? He was driving drunk. He crashed. He left the scene of the crime and everything. Know what I'm saying? He got 10 years probation. So here it is. That was a young, rich white boy. We just gonna call it what it is, a spade a spade. Now here you is a person of color, because this brother is Cuban. And Cuban is people of color. You know what I'm saying? And everybody know black and brown people get it the worst in the legal system. Black and brown people get it the worst in the legal system. And this is a huge thing, a huge miscarriage of justice. You know what I'm saying? So right now, they got a you can email, you can email the governor of Colorado, Jared Police. Jared, Jared, Police, 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 not police like police officer. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Jared Police, or Polis, you know what I'm saying? Panamanian, so I'm probably pronouncing it like, Latino way, but it could be Polis, but it's Jared, Polis. He's the governor of Colorado. Email him and let him know you in support of this brother, Rogel Lazaro Aguilera Madero, the dude, 23 years old, who got 110 years. You know what I'm saying? That's his name. And let him know that, you know what I'm saying, we need him pardoned or clemency ASAP. It's a petition going on for that right now. I'm going to put it up on my Instagram. So you got to tap into the IG, Justice Revolution. You know what I'm saying? You got to tap in. You heard? But, yeah, man, like, tell me that's not a huge miscarriage of justice. They gave that man 110 years. That was an accident. He, like I said, man, he wasn't drunk. He wasn't driving drunk. He didn't have no drugs in his system. They did every kind of test you could do on a person. Every kind of test you could do on a person to find something amiss, they did on him. He stayed. He cried. He stayed at the scene. He even said later that he wished he would have just drove off the cliff instead of choosing to like veer off and crash. You know what I mean? Because he was driving. I guess like you said, his brakes went out. That's not his fault. That's the company fault. Whoever makes that truck, I guarantee you, it's civil suits in on that company. So that should play a part. If it's civil suits on the company, you know what I'm saying, showing that and it's proven that the brakes failed, how could you fault this man? I can see if he's driving, bugging out, driving drunk, something, he don't got nothing in the system. They tried to find everything wrong with this dude. They tried, they searched. So how did they, after they searched, did they find out that this brother had, he don't got no criminal history. He never been arrested. He never been in trouble with the law. He don't got nothing on his driver's record. No, not a ticket, nothing. He didn't have no drugs in the system, no alcohol in the system, nothing. But they gave this man 110 years for 27 counts. I'm saying he went to trial. It was an accident. The brakes went out. They got proof. They showed and proved that the brakes went out. They gave this man 110 years, man. That sound like some revenge, man. Like, you know what I'm saying, more than like justice. Like they just wanted to account for, make somebody pay for the 4 people who lost their lives. Well, they should pay. They should have took that out on the people who made the truck or made the faulty brakes. That's where that should be coming in at. You know what I mean? But like I said, y'all can email or call governor.org, gov.org, and they give you all the information for the emails. For email, Governor Jared Police, whatever his name is. You know what I mean, of Colorado. You know what I'm saying? For real, people, this young man, 23 years old, man. He was working. He was at work. He was driving a truck. He's a truck driver. Working. Come on, this is supposed to be America. You know what I'm saying? He working. He driving. He's legit. He driving a truck. The brakes went out. That's not his fault. I gave him 110 years. I could see if he was drunk. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. This is not a DUI case. This is an accident case. This is an accident case, man. So like I said, man, this is why I want to point out the Ethan Couch situation. He killed 4 people driving drunk. This is what happens when you're white and affluent, in my opinion. No, it's not my opinion. That's my factual opinion. That's a fact. Know what I mean? Leave a comment. You don't know what I mean? You don't gotta agree with me, but no, I will hope you do, because this is what it is. Check out Ethan Couch. Look at what happened with his how much time he got. He got 10 years probation for driving drunk, and that wasn't his first time even driving drunk. He killed 4 people, left a 5th person a paraplegic. He got 10 years. This guy got 100 more years than him. Let that sink in. This young brother, this young brown brother, got 100 years, 110 years, because Ethan Couch didn't get no time. He got probation, 10 years probation. This brother got 110 years in jail, man. So it's a petition going on right now, man. It's like even in Colorado right now, the truck drivers right now have refused to drive through Colorado in protest of this. This is big, people. If y'all ain't know about this, you need to check on it. What's happened with me? Don't forget to like and subscribe. You already know I'm putting y'all these things, man. Because I'm trying to help. We trying to help this brother get out of jail. They get this man 110 years, 110 years, man. We gotta get this brother out of jail. This brother didn't do nothing wrong. Our brown brother did not do nothing wrong. And I don't care who it was. He could have been, you know what I'm saying? He could have been white, whatever. It's a miscarriage of justice, and I would speak up for anybody, whether they white, black, brown, whatever. I'm speaking up for anybody in this situation. Know what I mean? But it's just funny. It is what it is. We're going to call a spade, and we're going to recognize that Ethan Couch got 10 years probation for a way worse situation. Ethan Couch was drunk. He was high. He left the scene of the crime. It was a hit and run. And that was not his first time having a DUI. Know what I'm saying? So we got to get on that, people. We got to get on that, people. I'm going to keep this video a little short today. I don't want to keep going, and I don't got my coffee. My mouth was dry. I was just smoking, pouring self. Y'all know how the vibe be. But I gotta get up out of here, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe, man. Leave comments and let me know what y'all think about this situation, man. What y'all think about this huge carriage of misjustice, man. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, man, please, people, I don't care how many people watching this video, man. Check this out, man. Email the government. You don't got nothing to do. Niggas be on their phone all day. Be on their phone just bullshitting around. Email, go on Google government.org. Boom, boom. Governor of Texas. It's going to of Colorado. His name is Jared, Jared, Police, P-O-L-I-S, or Police, however they pronounce it. You know what I'm saying? And the brother who we speaking up for is his name is spelled R-O-G-E-L. Know what I mean? Then Lazaro, L-A-Z-A-R-O, Aguilera, A-G-U-I-L-E-R-A, Maderos, M-E-D-E-R-O-S, Maderos. He's 23 years old. Now I mean, email, let him be known you are in support of clemency or a pardon for this brother. Know what I'm saying? All right, salute, man. Listen, man, please, people, man, email for this brother, man, because that could be you. That was an accident. Remember Bruce Jenner killed those people? But he ain't getting nothing. He ain't. This is what I'm saying. Affluent white people. This is our system, people. This is our system. Bruce Jenner killed those people. Nothing happened. What, he got a fire lawsuit? I mean, even the sis Brandy, I have to throw the sis under the bus, but you know, that's affluence. I'm saying capitalism, because you know, she got some bread, you know, money talk too. Money to get you through some things as a person of color sometimes too. You know what I'm saying? And you know, Brandy, she hit somebody, but her joint, like, I understand, like, because her joint wasn't criminal, so I can understand that. Like, her joint was truly an accident, so I can understand. So I'm gonna take that back. You know what I mean? But these people, like Bruce Jenner, his joint was suspect. He was speeding. He was, you know what I mean? You know, I'm not saying it was a murder or nothing, but, you know, could have been some negligence in there. If that was a person of color, they would have been charged up. And now with this dude right here, 110 years? 110 years? The brakes went out? Accident? Come on, man. Email for that brother, man. I'm out of here, man. I got to get back to the file. You heard? Salute, salutation. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to share the video, man. Y'all ready to bop. You know the vibes. Just Rebel TV. And if you leave some comments, and I mean, if you got some good content you want to talk about, I mean, drop a comment. Let me know. I mean, let me know you want to talk about anything which we build on anything, matters of substance, laws, all that type stuff. You heard? Salute.